Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my paper airplane series. In the previous video, I taught everyone how to make a paper airplane just like this one. And in this video, I'm going to be making the same plane, but with one slight modification. I'm going to make an extra fold right here in the nose of the plane. And the point of having the nose in the plane is just to give it more stability and if you want the plane to go straight, really. It's just a secondary precaution, if you would, if you are trying to make your airplane go into a straight line and have a target you're trying to hit, or it just gives more weight to the front of the plane. And sometimes we'll even do flips and turns, and it's pretty cool. So let's get right to it. Take the same 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, just like in the previous way, fold it in half. Some might say fold a hot dog, but you can fold it just like that. Make sure you get the crease in there really good. Open it up. Do another fold right here into the center. Get the crease good as well. Spin it. Fold it. Fold it again in half. Make sure you get the lines up right here. Make sure it folds evenly. You can hear it right there. Make the crease. Just like that. Fold it again. You'll hear it bending. Line it up with the center. Up until this point, everything's the same so far. So right here, and fold it again, line it up, and right here, this is where the difference is going to be in making the plane. But first, let's get all the creases made. That way you don't have any extra parts. Sometimes I like to take a credit card or something heavy with weight, a coin maybe, to really flatten out these edges. Then at this part, here's the part that's different. Up until this point, everything has been the same. Right now, we're going to take the nose, the tip, whatever you want to call it. We're going to fold it in a little bit, just like that. Okay. And then we're going to fold it the same way. Make sure you line up with the center. Okay. There you go, just like that. Fold it up. Before finishing up your fold, just go like this. Lift it off the surface that you're making the plane on, and to get one final crease, flip it up like this. The heavier part's over here. Push down and push back. Get the fold in. Have it, open it up, 2 parts right here, just like that, plop it up, and you have another paper airplane. Slightly different, but that slight difference makes a difference when you're flying it. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, comments, concerns. Leave it down below. Share the video with your friends. Check out my previous video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.